Hello and welcome back to Anta English.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm David.
And I'm Anta. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English in a simple and easy way. So if you want to improve your English with us, please remember to subscribe and like this video.
Yes, it really helps us a lot. Today we are going to talk about something a little different.
Yes, we're going to learn how to talk about motivation in English.
We all need motivation sometimes, and it's good to know how to talk about it in a simple, natural way.
So, how are you today, David?
I'm pretty good. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining, and that always makes me feel more energetic.
Oh, I know what you mean. I saw the sunshine when I woke up, and it immediately made me feel ready to start my day. Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Yes, I did. I went to a small street market on Saturday. I didn't buy much, but I walked around, ate something tasty, and listened to music from a little band. It felt relaxing. What about you?
That sounds lovely. I had a quiet weekend. I visited a cafe near my house and brought a notebook. I wrote down some goals for the week and made a simple plan. I also cleaned my desk.
Cleaning your desk sounds small, but it can really change your mood.
Exactly. When my space is clean, my mind feels cleaner too.
So speaking of what we do every day, today our topic is motivation.
Yes, motivation is not always big and dramatic,
Sometimes it's very small,
like a small push,
or a small reason.
right? And today, we'll learn how to describe motivation, how to ask about it, and how to encourage someone in English.
Anta, can I be honest?
Of course,
Sometimes I feel motivated, and sometimes I feel lazy,
that is very normal.
but I don't know how to talk about that in English.
Don't worry. Today, we will practice simple sentences you can use in real life.
Okay, so first, what is motivation?
Great question. Motivation is the reason you want to do something.
Like a why.
Exactly. Your why.
So if I say, my motivation is to improve my English, that means my reason is to improve my English.
Perfect. And we also use the verb motivate.
This video motivates me.
Yes. That means it gives you energy and desire to do something.
So Anta, when was the last time you felt very motivated?
Let me think. Actually, I felt motivated last week.
Oh, what happened?
I watched a short video of someone learning a new skill step by step. It was simple, but it reminded me that progress is possible. Then I looked at my own goals and thought, okay, I can do this too.
That's nice. So you got motivation from a video.
Yes, and also from a feeling. Hope.
For me, motivation is tricky.
Why? What happened?
I was very motivated on Monday. I planned to study English every day. I even wrote a schedule.
That sounds strong.
But then I got busy. I had many tasks, and I felt tired. On Wednesday night, I didn't want to study at all.
That happens to everyone. Motivation can go up and down.
Exactly. So my motivation disappeared.
Okay, let's teach a very useful phrase here. My motivation dropped.
Dropped means went down.
Yes, your energy and excitement went down.
So I can say, my motivation dropped because I was tired.
Perfect.
But how can I say it in a positive way too?
You can say, I lost motivation, but I'm trying to get back on track.
Get back on track means return to the plan.
Exactly. It means you want to continue again.
Okay, Anta, what do you do when you lose motivation?
That's a great question. I have a few things I do.
Tell us.
First, I make it smaller.
Smaller?
Yes, I tell myself, just do 5 minutes.
Oh,
Because 5 minutes is easy. And after 5 minutes, I often continue.
that's smart.
Second, I remind myself of my reason.
Your why.
Yes, I ask, why do I want this?
And third,
I forgive myself.
forgive yourself.
Yes, if I miss one day, I don't say I failed. I say, okay, tomorrow I try again.
That's a healthy mindset.
It is. Motivation is not about being perfect. It's about coming back.
I like that. Coming back?
Yes, consistency is stronger than motivation.
Oh, that's a powerful sentence.
Let's explain it simply. Motivation is a feeling. Consistency is an action.
So even if you don't feel motivated, you can still do a small action.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, everyone. Now we should teach some useful sentences to talk about motivation.
Sentence 1. I feel motivated.
I feel motivated.
Sentence 2. I don't feel motivated today.
I don't feel motivated today.
Sentence 3. I'm trying to stay motivated.
I'm trying to stay motivated.
Sentence 4. I need a little motivation.
I need a little motivation.
Sentence 5. This motivates me.
This motivates me.
Sentence 6. I lost motivation.
I lost motivation.
Sentence 7. My motivation dropped.
My motivation dropped.
Sentence 8. I'm getting back on track.
I'm getting back on track. Those sentences are so useful.
Yes, and now we add some natural reasons using because.
Like, I feel motivated because,
Exactly. For example, I feel motivated because I want a better job.
or I feel motivated because I want to travel.
Or, I'm not motivated because I'm tired.
That's real life.
Now let's talk about encouraging other people.
Yes, because sometimes your friend needs motivation too.
You can say, you've got this.
You've got this means you can do it.
Yes. Another one, don't give up.
Simple and strong.
Another one, take it step by step.
That one is very calming.
Yes. Another one, I'm proud of you.
That one feels warm.
And another one, I'm here for you.
Nice. So motivation is also about support.
Exactly. Sometimes the best motivation is not a video, it's a person,
A friend,
a teacher.
or a community in the comments.
Yes, everyone watching, you are part of this community.
Okay, Anta, I want to practice a real situation.
Sure,
Imagine I say, I want to learn English, but I'm not motivated.
I would say, that's okay. Let's start small. Just 5 minutes today. You can do it.
That's supportive.
And then I might ask, what's your reason for learning English?
Good question. Because the reason can bring motivation back.
Exactly.
My reason is, I want to feel confident when I travel.
Great reason. Then your motivation becomes clearer.
And I can say, my motivation is to feel confident when I travel.
Perfect sentence.
Okay, now we need the game part.
Yes, game time.
Okay, everyone, it's game time.
This game is called Motivation Match. I will say a situation, and David will choose the best sentence.
And you repeat after me. Ready?
Situation 1. You feel excited to study today.
I feel motivated today. I'm ready to study.
Correct. Situation 2. You feel tired and you don't want to do anything.
I don't feel motivated today because I'm tired.
Great. Situation 3. You stopped studying for a week, but you want to start again.
I lost motivation, but I'm getting back on track.
Excellent. Situation 4. A friend is nervous and wants to quit.
Don't give up. You've got this.
Perfect. Situation 5. You want to explain your why.
My motivation is to improve my life and feel more confident.
Wonderful.
Now your turn, everyone.
Write one sentence in the comments using one of these phrases.
I feel motivated. I lost motivation. I need motivation. Or I'm getting back on track.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just practice. We will read them.
Now let's review some key vocabulary.
Yes. Quick review.
Word 1, motivation.
Motivation. Your reason or energy to do something.
Example, my motivation is to speak English confidently. Word 2, motivate.
Motivate. To give someone motivation.
Example, this podcast motivates me. Word 3, lose motivation.
Lose motivation. You don't feel like doing it anymore.
Example, I lost motivation after a busy week. Word 4, get back on track.
Get back on track. Return to your plan.
Example, I'm getting back on track today. Word 5, step by step.
Step by step. Slowly, in small parts.
Example, I will improve step by step.
Great review.
Well, Anta, we talked about many things today. I think it is time to finish our lesson already.
Yes, let's wrap it up.
So today our topic was how to talk about motivation in English.
We learned simple sentences like, I feel motivated, I lost motivation, and I'm getting back on track.
We learned how to explain reasons using because.
And we learned how to encourage other people. You've got this. Don't give up. And I'm proud of you.
We also played a game to practice real situations.
Now it's your turn to practice in real life.
Before we finish, it's time for the question of the day.
Our question is, what motivates you the most?
Is it your family, your future, travel, a better job, or just personal growth?
Write your answer in the comments in 1 or 2 sentences. We really want to read it.
Also, if today's lesson was helpful for you, please let us know by liking this video.
And if you want to practice more English with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Then you will never miss a lesson. We make new lessons every week.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Our goal is to help you speak English with confidence. Take care of yourself and be kind to yourself. We will see you next time for another lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.